Showing as a train. Like and subscribe. What?
孫悟空それとカカロット
What? What the? Anyway.
Don't touch my ear.
Before he like breaks out of it and kicks their ass.
Yeah, because people might say, "Oh, he was able to move in hit stop time," but
You mean this?
it wasn't actually stopping time. It didn't actually stop time.
I mean, Dio might stand a chance because he's like.
What am I even watching?
Here, you monkey. Listen.
Give me that.
Just call him a monkey.
Stop time because he was able to move through hit stop time.
Why are you so tall, monkey?
Hit didn't actually stop time.
Why are you so short?
Key to stop him in place.
Lizard. You shouldn't be this tall.
That means stopping time for the whole.
Why so short, lizard?
Didn't Joe try to move
I'm not a
like, when he was
lizard.
frozen?
Yeah, because
I'm a monkey.
What
What
the
the
hell?
hell? I'm a monkey.
Then why are you calling him a
course you
monkey
are.
then?
Oh, so
Shut up, nigga!
Star
What the
Platinum,
fuck
he was
is
pretending to be frozen.
What
He was
did you just
pretending to
call
be
me?
frozen, right?
What did you just call me?
You heard me, nigga.
You heard me, dumbass. Go to.
Is that a child? Go kill yourself.
He's using the cave like.
That's
voice
on the
changer
god of
on voice
destruction,
mod.
bitch.
That's just your tutorial.
Because he cut off his sentence.
It's a train. Train.
Shut the fuck up.
Chugga chugga choo choo, bitch.
Mr. Squidward, I heard you're trying to ride the dick train.
I want my money, Mr. Squidward. All right.
I want my money, Mr. Squidward.
Mr. Krabs, I didn't know you were gay.
Shut up,
I
Frieza.
didn't know you were. I need you to.
What do you
finger
mean,
me,
monkey?
Mr. Squidward.
Oh, do I really? I gotta do this or I'll get my password revoked. Okay, I'll do it.
I'm not black, I'm yellow.
What
See,
the?
hold on.
Oh,
I'm yellow now.
I can't do it. SpongeBob, my boy. I can't.
Voice that's Foxy, and it was great.
You
Now I'm blue, dabba dee dabba die.
You monkey!
You monkey dirty nigga.
But you're an actual monkey. But you're an actual monkey.
That's the freak.
Dirty nigga. Kill
You're-
yourself now.
You're an actual monkey.
It's a
though.
living especially, because you are a child, you monkey.
Oh my god!
Monkey.
Avatar.
forming in her shiny head, bro.
Wait, let me have the toy body avatar! No!
I can turn red and black.
I
can still
give me
see the words
that femboy
forming in your
avatar.
head, bro.
Give me that femboy
The
avatar.
words forming in her head, Frieza.
Femboy
How
avatar.
shiny
What
your
the hell's a
head is.
femboy?
Give me that femboy avatar.
It's a monkey that pretends to be a woman, but it's actually a man. That's what it is.
What the hell?
Also, you will give me that femboy. I want that femboy.
Well, I'm gonna use. Oh, I'm gonna strangle you with your own legs.
I'm gonna bust all on your mouth, mister, if you don't shut up.
Will you shut up?
You
No,
will
you
give me
shut
that
up.
femboy.
4-year-old.
You're gonna make my life harder. Now I'm gonna have to think about whatever the hell you just
I
said.
don't care. Kill yourself.
Good, I already did.
Hug.
We're gonna die.
We don't care.
Let me hug you, damn it.
Kill yourself.
You damn it.
Okay.
They're down here. They're on the
I
floor.
like you better when you're blue.
Kid,
They're on the floor.
cornball, bro. You literally have a fucking train avatar. You're a fucking corn dog. All corn on the outside, we're on the inside. Fucking corn ball.
I'm not a corn dog.
It's just a
He
paint
hides it
job. You're
better.
not actually black, are you? You're not.
This guy right here hides it better than I do.
So you are black. Got it. Wait a minute. You said it with the heart up.
So he's what?
Kill
Well, my
him,
teeth are
boys.
perfect.
But
I'm
he's
gonna be
black on
tall
the
like the
outside,
rest
he's
of you
white on the
monkeys.
inside.
From the screen.
Hello,
to the
monkey.
pen,
Can
to
I
the
have a
king.
Frieza? Do
Well,
you
that's
have another
ironic.
Frieza?
That's ironic.
Yes, you can have this Frieza.
I got rid of my Frieza.
so
like,
where's your
a
face
day
at?
ago. Shadow deal. Can you guys?
I'm
like,
not a
stop
monkey, you're a
fucking
monkey.
enclosing me in your muscles. Alright, not me.
This is train.
Train, bro. You're in the wrong city, bro.
Punch the
You're in the wrong
mic.
city. I'm just colors.
Oh no. Well, this
Hold on, let me
crash.
pick. Yeah, look.
Hold on, guys. I'm gonna become the nigga.
Truly become
Train
an
too big.
N-word. You must be black.
I am black now.
Bro, Mikado Thomas. Mikado. I don't know.
I tried. I really did.
You really tried to pronounce it.
I tried so hard to make a joke.
And
No,
you
I'm yawning.
failed.
The hell was that?
That was the train.
The train.
I'm a talking train.
Train, shut
The
up.
train went. The train apparently is in a tunnel.
Hey, you're small.
Oh,
Hey, you're small. Hey, you're small. Hey,
I run you over.
Small
I will
bitch.
run you over.
That's a good explanation.
oh no! Getting ran over by a virtual
Small
train.
train. Look at you. Look at you. I can see you right now, bro. Look at that, bro. Oh my god. I'm gonna shut up.
No.
Hey, small. Look at your ass. Look at your.
No, wait. This is how you do it. This is how you do it.
You don't learn your lesson.
for any wrongdoings I might have caused.
I'm leaving this.
You really don't learn your lesson, do you?
apologize.
You don't learn your
He
lesson.
was calling him.
Not in what you think I'm gonna do.
Model.
You big boy in there really have some shit going on.
I've heard that noise before.
Will you stop speaking gibberish?
No, my game. My game. Turn it
My-
off.
my-
My game.
It wasn't me, monkey.
I'm gonna use your tail and make strangle yourself to death.
Ooh.
Shut up, monkey.
No, I'm actually a monkey.
Oh, you monkey.
Yay, I'm a monkey.
Mr. Krabs.
Shut up, monkey. That is a fake chain.
Where's the train at?
That is not a fake chain, monkey.
Yes,
You
it is.
stab on me? That joke is over! Stop it, you know! Ah!
How about Gogeta?
Fat train, get the fuck out, bro. You fat ahead.
I can fly.
Train can't win.
He's running over your foot right
What the
now.
fuck are you? The train from fucking Harry Potter? What the fuck do you mean you can fly?
I can fly.
What are we going to? Station number 99?
I fly.
What's up, Steamboat Willie?
He is literally flying. He's not joking. He is throwing it back right now. He is throwing it back right now. Oh my god. That's not a girl. I don't know if it's a girl or a boy.
I'm literally a breaking physics train.
I'm gonna just set Frozen Hell. That's exactly their status. So they're in hell. I did not know that's what I said. Yeah. This bitch is jumping around. I cannot see that area.
You're so fluffy. You're my best friend.
Get your ass over here. Oh shit. Can I pet you? Go ahead.
What do you mean by that?
You know
Okay.
what? Sure. I would say,
Yeah.
yeah, sure, I'll listen to this, but I don't have a choice because I ran out of skips. Because no, I don't have premium. Because I don't feel like paying.
I ran out of skips.
I don't feel like paying because
You
the only
wanna
thing
fight from the ads?
the only things I'm ever gonna use it for is the ads, which I already know how to
Nope.
skip them for free. Let's just close the app and reopen
Hey,
it.
it
Boom,
wasn't
next
me.
song in your playlist. It's easy as fuck. The only thing
What?
I would ever use it for is infinite skips and no ads.
Whoa, hey!
But I don't care for the skip.
Going at it.
Yeah,
Going
that's
at it.
fine.
Yeah, that's a woman.
To get your loving one
That's a
day.
woman. She's allowed to do that. Oh. Hey,
Why
back
is
up,
there a
back up.
person that looks like they were about to cut your skin off?
That's a woman. My bad, bro. I can't shoot her. I can't shoot her. Okay.
I'm gonna skin the person that keeps saying that.
No,
Can't even touch her, bro.
fuck. Oh God.
It isn't me,
I've
I
heard that
swear.
noise before.
Calf is just loving it right now. Bro's in paradise.
I'm a floating train.
Oh, there
It
she
isn't
goes
me,
again.
guys, I promise.
There she goes again. Yep, there she goes. Yep, girls cannot contain it.
Oh, you calling me a monkey?
What?
Why is anyone support it, bro? Let Trap, I'm gonna shoot your speaker right out your head.
You better not shoot my speaker.
I will do it. Look, she even got up so I can shoot you.
That's a dude.
You better not.
You
girl.
can't shoot
That's a
metal.
man.
You can't shoot
First of
metal.
all, their status is pop. Not status. Their group is Papa Titty, which I've yet to see a single female. And two.
Nah, now you're done for. Now you're done for. I'm turning.
Every time
Yeah.
someone gets on top of you, let's go. Just
I'm kid with Black Air Force. You're done for.
oh, now the train. Yep, there he goes. Terry
You know what? I'm just gonna find your.
He's running
Yo,
away.
what's their name? Alright. We're gonna do it the easy way. And I'm just gonna search in here.
Oh, God damn it. What the fuck?
There you are. There. Silent. How the fuck are they still talking?
Don't ask questions.
I muted them!
Oh, yeah, bro. Look at this.
It doesn't matter if you mute someone. They updated it when it doesn't do anything.
You're subhuman.
Yummy.
Let's try to scream so loud the fact he can't.
It's not. I don't know. I don't know why it kept playing the sound he was doing, even after I muted him.
Yeah, I'm a dancing train. Da-da-dee-da-da-doo. Why is there a robot with no teeth? Here, let me eat them off. Ow!
Until the clock would chime, so my flash is done.
All aboard!
First name, last name, and credit card number.
All aboard!
Why do you sound like Why? Yes, that's it. Why you sound like Toad?
All aboard!
You're under arrest. Come on, you're under arrest.
What is that noise? Coming from?
That tail, I'm coming for your ass.
Oh, it's coming from you!
I Frieza crashed. No! Frieza!
It got worse.
Who is playing that? Where's this coming from?
Why do you have cheats?
Where do I have to mute? Where's the sound coming from?
Hello there, sir. What? What outside?
Oliver?
No, there are so many people. Your ass is in the way.
Did you really just
Oh,
say
you.
all aboard? Hell no. I don't trust you. You're gonna go flying somewhere.
Yeah, I've
Yeah, I
went
know
on
that
a
laugh,
train
but I know
before and
you're
I
gonna
got
go
launched
flying.
off the
I've
map.
been on a train, but I'm fucking Harry Potter one.
I don't. Wait, am I actually
That's
from
Harry
Harry
Potter, bro.
Potter?
That's different.
No, it's not.
That's Harry Potter.
I've been
That's
on a
different.
train, guys. I never came back.
That
I jumped.
that's Harry Potter, bro. You're different. You can't even jump. Look, that's how fat it is. That's how
Huh?
heavy it is.
Almost all
Shit.
of my friends are on.
Brain Bonnie, what is going on there, bro? You're breaking your kneecaps. Oh. Your kneecaps.
Who needs joints anyways?
Spring
Not
body
me.
needs to go all the way through.
Why are you
Flexing.
doing the split?
Why are you
Oh,
small?
look at that damn thing. I'm not small,
That's
you're
all right.
small.
Why are you smaller than me?
I know. I'm short.
I
I'm
can
not
run you
small,
over.
you're big, he's big.
No, you're
I'm
small.
5'8", which is average for my age, 16.
Look, what the hell is this man? This man's just jerking off right
Why
now.
is he
That
doing the
man's
splits on
jerking
me?
No, that's like a round average, yeah. But no, I'm saying I'm short as the character I am currently. Funny, he's actually 6 foot, but compared to everybody else, he is short. Yeah. Unless you want to, bring up Mimsy or Nifty.
Nifty's a kid.
Bro, I'm about to go crash one of my friends.
You know what's funny? I know a guy who's a year younger than me, and is 6'8".
Excuse me.
That was Michael Jordan, man.
That's me, bro.
I'm not even kidding. And apparently, he's not even as tall as he can get. This man is still growing.
Wait, I'm flying
His
the.
dad's like
My man is
7'2".
going to be the next giant, bro.
Shaquille O'Neal? Nah,
Man.
him.
Him.
At this moment, he knew that that 7 rods had just been penetrated for his fucking spinal column.
I'm trying to dodge her.
Ooh! Recap, what happened?
Died.
Casually eating popcorn right now. Ow. Ow.
Train, guess what?
Down while he's like getting spring
That
locked.
glitch.
What?
You're small.
I know. I choose to be small. I can actually be this big.
I would like to apologize for any wrongdoings I might have caught.
I prefer to be small. I prefer to be small. Will you stop locking on me and getting a blood on me? I just got a raincoat of paint on me.
That right there is when the rod got inserted through his brain.
Yeah, we have to be as well again.
Damn train, bro. You gotta pull your ass over.
No! This the cops! They found me patrol over them! Run!
You're running over 18,000 people.
Help me!
I'm gonna pit maneuver you, bro. Don't make me. I'm gonna pit his asshole.
I'd love to see you pit maneuver a train!
I'm gonna derail your ass. Come here.
I'd like to see you pit maneuver and derail a flying train.
I hate it. That's the only speech.
Communist. Holy fuck, you're bigger than me.
Vroom, vroom. I'm gonna run you over! Vroom, vroom.
Open the door. Open the door. Open the door, bitch. Open the door.
Brum brum.
Badass.
Brum
Straight
brum.
out of vehicle. I thought that friends. Run.
Brum brum.
Good dog, good boy.
Brum brum. Wait, what is that? There's a wait. Brum brum.
I'm just kidding. It's underneath the stuffing. It's like a little.
Brum brum.
I'm just a statue. Bad train, bro.
Brum brum.
Bad boy slash girl. I'm being fucked. Oh damn, that door's closed.
Brum
Oh, sorry.
brum.
Run right over me, but not damage me. What the fuck?
Get back here. What?
Bigger.
Hold on, make him big enough to run crush you. Get back here. Brum brum. Brum brum.
Oh, I'm dead. Take my meal.
I forgot how to bring it down. Yeah, let me disintegrate it.
I need your ID.
Yeah. Run, 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 run. I'm being chased by the popo. I need to run now.
ID just like so. Yep. A green train with a black roof. White on it. A black wheels. Yeah. Dumbass. All right. Light. Whatever the fuck those damn things are called. Yeah.
Did it damage
I'm
my
definitely not the
paint?
size of you.
Did it damage my paint? Okay, good. I just got that fixed.
What the fuck are you? Why are you normal size? I think we're both stunned here.
I'm just.
I'm going to boop you.
All aboard the lure.
The fast, fast train.
Bonk. Boop.
I'm just staring.
What the fuck?
I'm just staring for no reason.
What is so interesting about the floor that you're staring at, bro?
What am I staring? No. I've already seen enough of that crap. Run.
Yeah, I've seen you had edible
Everybody
chocolate
go.
before. 596
Have you had edible
243 823
Nah, you got my IP.
796312.
Nice.
I'm staying up, I'm not going to sleep.
I can't believe I saw that from all the way over there.
Cheeks.
I got
If
some
I
good
lay
ass
down and I
eyes.
close my eyes, he
What the hell am I staring at right now? Take me to jail! Away from them!
Two lesbians hanging out.
I have a boyfriend.
Oh god damn it, I'm wrong.
Take me to jail! Away from them!
a giant Megatron or some shit.
I don't know.
I'm not gonna say that in front of no girl again.
Take me to space!
I'll take you to space. I got you. Hold on. You ready, brother?
Space.
Get in, bitch.
Yeah, let's go.
Monkey. Can you actually get in? No
Yeah.
fucking way you're in.
I gotta delete my. I gotta get rid of my serious.
Watch out, bitches. The police are here. You know, we'll be going real good if this police
I'm too small to drive. I can see the back of the steering wheel.
Let's break it
I'm
apart.
driving.
Come here, you little fucker.
What?
I'm gonna break this fucking train apart. Come
No.
here.
No.
I'm gonna turn your ass
Run.
into a trash can.
No.
Don't turn your ass to a trash can.
No.
Fucking voice mod, you bitch.
I'm not technically using voice mod. This is just what my voice sounds like. Because of my broken mic. What is that? What in God's name is that?
I see dead people.
What? Why do you see that?
Still alive, aren't ya? What's up, bitch? Excuse me, my.
What are you laughing at?
Just watching some videos.
Gave you the top.
Hey,
take
fuck
y'all
y'all
back.
lame ass niggas. One of them uses my mommy for real.
What's up, man? Bro. Yes, well. I don't know. Why'd you disappear?
I'm in space. Take me over there. I'm too small. I'm too long. I don't know how to drive. So I'm trying to drive this thing, but it doesn't have a good space. Doesn't have a good Oh. We. Oh no, not here. Ooh. Let's go. Anyway. Take me over here. Take me over here. I'll get my stuff out the ground and so please do consider liking and subscribing. I love all my viewers. Anyway, let's get right.